contrast definition, contrast in a sentence, contrast pronunciation, contrast meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of contrast. Contrast. Con-trast. Contrast. Contrast as a verb means to compare two things to find the differences. Common usages in academic writing: to compare and contrast, to contrast the answers, to contrast the opinions, by contrasting the different. Example sentences: contrast, verb. We compared and contrasted the data from 3 separate studies on the topic, all from the same year. Example sentence number 2. Once you contrast the 2 samples with the originals found 40 kilometers away, you will find a clear difference in the construction tools used in their creation. Please write a sentence using contrast in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use contrast confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.